spinning in a velvet blur. You're a ghost, but I'm the one who's haunted. Tracing lines across your jawline, sir. Giving you the chaos that you wanted. I'm a flickering bulb in a hallway of mirrors. You're the static making everything clearer. Don't move, don't breathe. I like the way you look when you're about to leave. Don't speak, just stay. We're only ever happy in a violent way. It's a fever dream, it's a total boat sink. I'm standing on the edge, I don't even wanna blink. It's a heavy weight, it's a note I can't promote. The sexual tension between my hands and his fuck ass throat. Yeah, it's a vice grip. Count the seconds till the glass breaks down. You're a king, but I don't want the kingdom. I just wanna see you hit the ground. Feel the rush of all the jagged freedom. You're a bad habit, I don't wanna quit. I'm the gasoline, you're the dying lit match. White knuckles, blue veins, looking like a map of every single place that I'm gonna leave a gap. Your pulse is a secret that I'm trying to keep. The water's getting cold and the canyon is deep. I'm measuring the distance by the intake of air. I'm losing my mind and I'm already there. Maybe I'm the monster, maybe you're the cage. Maybe we're just ink on a burning page. I don't wanna love you, I just want the thrill of knowing I could break you if I had the a total boat sink. I'm standing on the edge, I don't even wanna blink. It's a heavy weight, it's a note I can't promote. The sexual tension between my hands and his fuck ass throat. Yeah, it's a vice.